In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix camera driver missing in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your camera is missing from Device Manager on Windows 11, it's usually due to the new AI privacy guard or a soft lock in the BIOS or UEFI. In the latest builds, Windows sometimes hides the hardware entirely if privacy permissions are denied. Many laptops feature physical disconnects that literally remove the camera from the system tree. So what you can do is slide the plastic cover over the lens. On some models, this is electronically disconnects the driver. And look for a camera icon on your function keys, which might be F8, F10, or F12. Then just press Fn and that key to toggle the hardware state. And then what you could also do if Windows 11 Privacy Engine blocks access, the driver may appear as missing or unknown device to apps. So go over to your settings application. So we're going to go right click the Windows icon, then go over to settings. Once you're in settings, go to privacy and security, then go over to camera. Then ensure that camera access is toggled on and scroll down to advanced privacy settings as well if you see it. And then once you go ahead and find that, ensure false hardware detection is enabled as well. And yeah, once you do that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you don't know about yet.